Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to show your follower count on Snapchat. Whether you're a creator looking to showcase your growing audience or just curious about this feature, I'll walk you through the steps to make it happen. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, tap the Bitmoji or profile icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page, where all your account settings and options are accessible. Next, look for the section labeled Public Profiles. Tap on it to open up more options related to your public presence on Snapchat. If you don't have a public profile yet, you may need to create one first. This feature is specifically designed for users who want to share their content with a wider audience. Once inside the Public Profiles section, locate the Edit icon at the top of the screen and tap it. This will bring up settings that allow you to customize how your profile appears to others. Now here's the important part. Find the option labeled Show Follower Count. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply turn this switch on, and voila! Your follower count will now be visible to anyone who visits your public profile. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've enabled this feature and can now proudly display how many followers you've gained. Whether you're building a brand or just want to share your progress with friends, this is a great way to highlight your growth on Snapchat. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might find it useful. Happy snapping!